Hey everybody, hey, I wanted to take one quick minute just to show you how to do this new test that we have. We're running out of the old test that we've been doing, so I'm going to show you real quick how to use this test every time you come into the facility. Like the old test, you're going to take your swab and you're going to go 5 times in this nostril and 5 times in this nostril. Peel this off, this little blue lid. You're going to take this little tube and peel this off. And once you do that, you're going to want to go put your swab all the way down and mix it a bunch of times. I think it's like 6 or 7 or 8 times. So just do it a bunch of times. And then you're going to take the swab out. As you take the swab out, you're going to pinch the tube and pull it out. So you kind of get the swab a little bit dry and it's not all messy. I'm going to leave it here right now. I'll clean that later. And then once you have the tube, you're going to put this little lid on it. Sometimes it can be a little tricky, so be a little patient with it, and you should be able to pop it on there and squeeze the bottom of the tube just to kind of mix up that solution, okay? And so once you've done that, you're going to take the top of the tube with the hole and you're going to do 3 drops into this bottom little square here. 1, 2, 3. You're going to discard this with your swab. And then what we want you to do is we want you to initial the test with your initials, okay? So I'm Wes Jones. So I'm going to initial it WJ because this one takes a little longer for the result to read. Leave it at the front desk with the reception or the RN supervisor. Go clock in, come back, read your result, show it to the receptionist or the RN supervisor, and then not clock in, but sign in on the iPad. So once you do that and you have a negative result, you're good to go. It's very similar to the Binax. The positive result will show a blue line at the bottom. Obviously, I'm not positive. I have a sample here. This is not a real positive test, but this is a sample. And you can see you're always going to have the pink line at the top, and the blue line on the bottom is indicative of a positive. If there's no line at the bottom, you're good to go. All right, thanks guys, appreciate it.